Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling sideloading so the tablet accepts APKs, go to Settings, tap Security or Apps, and allow unknown sources. Now check your Fire OS version and write it down because you must pick matching APK builds. Once done, download the Google Account Manager APK that corresponds to that version. You're acting now, don't wait, because having the right account manager is foundational to the rest of the install sequence. Next, install the core Google APKs in order. First tap and install Google Account Manager, then Google Services Framework. Open it once to initialize. After that, install Google Play Services. Make sure you choose the APK matching your CPU architecture ARM, ARM64, or x86, and Android API level. Finally, install the Google Play Store APK, but don't launch it yet. Leave it closed so the system can settle. This order prevents signature conflicts and lets services register properly. After all APKs are installed, reboot the tablet to let services start cleanly. When it boots, open the Play Store and sign into your Google account. Give apps a minute to update and sync. If something breaks, clear cache and storage for Google Play Services and Play Store, then reboot. If errors persist, uninstall the offending APK and reinstall a build that matches your Fire OS and CPU. This fixes most version mismatches and lets the Play Store work properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.